Hey guys, Nadia here. So I'm here. We're going to do an unboxing and a full review of these two awesome products that I have for you guys. So we have the Arboleaf body scale, because you guys know it's that time again. Let me fix the label. There we go. There we go. It's that time again. We're trying to lose weight, snap back, right? So I'm going to give you guys a review of the food scale and the body scale that you guys may think about adding to your arsenal on your weight loss. And start with the food scale. I took it out the box. It comes with a quick how to set up and download the app, right? That's why they are smart products, because you know you can put it on your phone in an app. So you comes with batteries. Oh, two sets. We use 3 batteries. Okay guys, so this is the app. You download this orange one for the new Fit Food, and then you're able to track your food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks once you plug it in, and it keeps track of your diary. The best thing about a food app is like you're giving yourself a little food journal. You can add different users connected to your Fitbit, Apple Health, right? Put your profile in and all that good. You have your calories, proteins, fats, carbs. You can track it for a week, month, year, and it gives a log for you. Then you can go add, look, it's synced to the actual scale. Look at that. I didn't even touch anything yet. How cool is that? What is on the scale? Nothing. So I guess we're gonna have to clear that off. And look, see, it clears it off. Look at that. That's so nice. I'm gonna put something on there. Let me grab the baby. So we're gonna select dinner. Oh, by the way, yes, no, went ahead and added my profile. So we're gonna select dinner. You're gonna put your food on the scale, and you guys know you put your food on the scale before you cook it. I have some salmon, and there it is. You can put what's on the scale. If you have the barcode, you can scan the barcode for the food item, and it gets the nutrients for you just to find it, or you can just type it in. And then go, it tells you how many calories, fats, proteins. Let me try to zoom out so I can focus on that for you guys. Hold up. Okay, there we go. Carbs, fats, proteins, total calories, and then you can add it to your diary. Again, you can sync it to your sync or turn on all. Alright, and then you could create a food list of things that you eat often and just add it there for later. Alright, and that's the scale, guys. Pretty cool. See, there it is, salmon for my dinner. And you go to diary. It tells you your total calories, fats, proteins, all of that good stuff, which I think it's super cool. There it is for the entire month. And as you keep adding stuff, you know it will keep giving you a better track of what you're eating. Let's try to put a different piece of salmon on there. It's all zeroed out. There it is. Look at that. Sync straight to the app. And when I got the scale and I just downloaded the app, it automatically read the scale right in front of it. I didn't have to upload anything or put in any serial number, which I thought was pretty cool. Alright guys, so we are going to do our unboxing of the Arboleaf scale. I got my trusty assistant, Nyla. She's wearing her cool pajamas. We are going to do the body scale because she's short and she can fit on camera while I multitask. Comes with a booklet. And here's how the scale looks. It's nice, right? Voila. Alright guys, so this is the body scale app. It looks just like the icon on the box, and you can smart scan it and get the quick link to download it. You can find it in the Play Store. Right, once you set up, you create a username and all that good stuff. Then what you can do is create different users, right? And you put in their gender, height, and age. You can put in a nice picture. We have not done any pictures yet. But then you're going to go to measurements. You can sync this also with your Fitbit and your Apple Watch. So, or what is it called? Apple Health, right? So we're going to jump onto the scale. Ready, Nyla? My lovely scale model here, Nyla. So we're going to click on the app. I'm going to click Nyla's profile. There you go, Nyla. Let's go. Step on, baby. And I don't know if you guys can see that it's spinning. Can you see that? It's trying to read. Use a barefoot. Boom. It says to put on my Wi-Fi. Let me allow. Okay guys, so I've enabled the Wi-Fi. Connecting to the scale via Wi-Fi. Connection successful. Okay. And there we go, Nyla. It says that stop jumping around. You're 74 pounds. Can you guys see that? 74 on the scale, 74 on the app. Measuring. Please don't step off. Boom. There you go. Step off, Nyla. So it's going to tell you Nyla's weight. Then it gives you her BMI, her body fat, her fat-free body weight, all of that. So, and it's based on her height and her age, which I have not put in accurately. So this is why the numbers, I just kind of just rushed and put it in there. But if you put in accurate information, it will give you better information here as far as the BMI and the body fat, body type. But it says you fit, Nyla, you fit. I kind of guessed your height. I couldn't remember how tall you were. So I think I put you in like 4'2" or something like that. Alright, Naomi, your turn. So I have my other scale model here. Her name is Naomi. I'm going to go to her profile. Naomi. Step on. Apply pressure. The wheel is spinning. Boom. Step off. And there it is. It's giving her information. It says you're underweight, Naomi. Again, I guessed what her height was. This is probably why I said that she's underweight. But once you put in the accurate information, it gives you all that good stuff, which I think is pretty cool, guys. Okay guys, so that is the Arboleaf body scale and food scale. I'm going to add the link in the description below for you guys to check them out, so you can add them to your arsenal if you like or not. I think these are great items, you know, especially if you want to keep your stuff on your mobile phone and keep it on track with you, which is super great. So be sure to check them out. Thanks.